Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to fix the TikTok Live Studio black screen issue in 2026 and get your stream displaying properly again. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix the TikTok black screen issue, you can simply right click and go to display settings. In here you can simply add a desktop app and then you can search for TikTok Live Studio. And select on the exe TikTok Live Studio. Now, this will ensure that TikTok Live Studio is currently on a high GPU processing mode, so it would fix the TikTok black screen issue. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.